Good morning, guys. Hope you had a good weekend. Well, the market cap strength of Ethereum is actually going up while the price is going down. So that means whales are buying. But on Bitfinex, we've got shorts increasing. I want to go over this and show this to you guys because I think it's still a tug of war, but I am having some strong signs the whales are going to win out on this, and this is going to see a pop here very soon. We'll go over the analysis, but I want to also take you guys into the metrics today. We'll go over the emotional index, long versus short trades, market cap strength, cannot miss that. Trades in favor, well institutional smart money, support resistance prices, an incredible entry for you guys if you're dollar cost averaging, and then getting you guys into a trade setup. As far as trade setups go, guys, we are sitting at 122 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a trade. And our scalping strategy that I ended up talking to you guys about in the last video is taking off. So make sure you guys do go to the front page. Go right here, 100% win rate scalping strategy. There's a tutorial video, what you guys need. And I want to make sure you guys just know that up front. All right, guys, are you ready to dive in and see what's going on with Ethereum? You guys have money in this market. You probably were watching the charts this weekend. Some of you guys were freaking out. Hey, I'm not going to blame you. It was a little crazy weekend. Right now, retail traders are sitting here and they're looking at majority of their indicators still bearish after the weekend. Okay? So we're in this descending wedge pattern, guys. A descending wedge is a bullish pattern. I want everyone to hear that very clearly. This is a bullish pattern. This is the same type of pattern that actually formed over here where we started seeing this wedge up, which an ascending wedge is a bearish pattern to the downside. So we're kind of seeing the same play played out over here, but the good news is that this breaks to the upside. It is very rare for this to see a continuation move down and just start to create another wedge here. That's actually very rare. So the good news is that this is probably going to break to the upside. How high is it going to go? I think if this breaks, we're going to be looking at a 50% Fibonacci retracement. So let me show this to you guys. Come out with a Fibonacci retracement, take the low of the trend, take the high. Puts us right around this structure high right there for Ethereum, which I think we're going to probably hit right around $3,100 to $3,200. This week, it is possible because what's happening right now is we're going to have short traders come out here. They're going to try to short the market, which I'll be showing you. They're going to short the descending resistance. And if this price pushes back up, their stop losses for their short trades are going to get hit. And those stop losses, once they're hit, are either going to close people out of their shorts. And if the price goes up, the short guys are going to want to reverse or cover their loss. They're going to go long with long traders, and that's how this market can pump up here very fast. It's what happened over here, which is why it dropped it so fast. So the reverse situation is what I'm looking for this week, is a break of the descending resistance to push us back up. Now, looking at this, you guys saw trend exhaustion very low here over the weekend, Friday moving into Saturday. When this trend exhaustion's low, this gives us hope. This is where we're seeing market moves back around. This is what we're also using, guys, when this is low down here to actually get into scalping trades. And if you can see when we're down here, a lot of times it is just very, very accurate at calling jumps before they happen. This is why we talk about our indicators so much and how you guys see testimonials on our website of people doing some insane amounts of profit. There is a sale we have running, and I want to make this clear. I won't say this in every video to turn this into a big marketing thing. May, just the month of May right now, we have a sale. You guys can see it. I'll do a pop-up on the bottom left of the screen. You guys are going to get 84% off all of our indicators. Okay? We will never have the price lower than this. Okay, so make sure you guys are watching that. You need them for the scalping strategy. Anyways, I want to show this to you guys of how you can predict market moves up, use the scalping strategy, and you guys can do very well, even over here, predicting the move up here. Now that you guys see this, what I want you guys to understand here is, yes, when shorts come out in the market and they come back down here, we may be seeing this move down here a little bit today. So I wouldn't be... it wouldn't surprise me if we do start seeing a move back down on Ethereum, back down to the structure here. But when it does come back down here, you guys can look for that next scalping position when it's in the bottom red section. And then you guys are looking to take that move back up. That move right there is what you guys are looking for. And that's what I teach you guys over in the scalping masterclass on the front page of tradeconfident.io. And it seriously has never lost a trade because of the risk management that we're using. All right, I want to dive into the metrics now, but I want to just show that to you guys. Let's go over here and take a look at this. Go to the search bar, type in ETH, boom, we're on the metrics. The emotional index for Ethereum, we are sitting in the anxious section. So still an anxious sentiment for retail traders, which when the market's anxious, guys, wealth institutions are going to be buying. Long versus short trades, this is cracking me up. I can't believe I'm still seeing this every morning. I look at this. On Bitfinex, guys, there is still traders and parties shorting this thing more than going long. I'm like, are you kidding me? Like I think Something's going on with Bitfinex over here. It is true data. We're pulling the true data point, but I want to show you guys this. Look at this. I would say, not I would say, this is an overall better metric to gauge what the global market of crypto is doing. The market cap strength. The market cap of Ethereum right now is staying steady right here in a consolidation pattern. Whales are not selling. They are buying here, guys. And if they're not buying, they're just holding while the market is dipping like crazy. This to me only says one thing. The whales are looking to pump this back up. Would they not be selling their positions and just, selling out to buy lower? What's happening here is this is an accumulation of whales, institutions, and retail traders. The whole market right now, guys, is holding their positions. That is what this means right here. Because you can't have the market cap go up here like it's literally holding here and going up unless people are holding Ethereum. And they have to be selling their other altcoins and then pushing it into Ethereum and buying it for this to go up. It's because it's a percentage of overall market cap. I don't know if you guys really understand what I'm saying there is, but if this green line cannot go up unless people are literally buying Ethereum and dumping other altcoins, because it's a percentage of how much of the overall market cap of all crypto is in Ethereum. So when this goes up here, people have to be selling their other altcoins and pushing it into Ethereum. That is a huge bullish sign right now on Ethereum that this thing is going to start going back up. That's what I honestly believe, guys. Truly believe it. I'm going to hold my gut there because I'm looking at on-chain metrics, staring us in the face, and I think we're going to start heading back up. Watch this data. Trades in favor. We are sitting down and we even pushed into a great long trade area. When this has pushed down here before like this, we're seeing moves back up. If you guys are getting up in the morning, you're like, man, you're talking to your friends, you guys have your own trading rooms, such like that, and someone comes out and they're like, hey, I think we should short right now. Be like, no, guys, look at trades in favor. There's actually so much more favor right now in long trades than short trades. It really is. And then up here, just don't be caught on the wrong side when you're FOMOing into the market and it's gone up this high already and it's like, hey, good time to short. Don't be going long, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just reading this out to you. I'm trading with my own money over here. We're doing really well. Make sure you guys are watching these metrics. By the way, quick check up on the portfolio. 120,000. We actually recouped a few $1,000s from Friday, so that's pretty awesome. So we're doing well in here, and 150,000 is break even. I think we're only down like 15% right now when most accounts are still down, honestly, about 55 to 60%. It's because of the risk management that we use. I'll show that to you guys in this video because I'm going to show you guys a trade setup right here in a second. Well, in institutional smart money, guys, they're coming out here. Yes, there's been some moments here where we've seen some indecision and we're just right at this break-even point and they're waiting to see what the market does. But the moment the market drops, we're seeing acquisitions of long trades. That's what we're seeing, guys, and it holds true to what the market cap is showing us. They're buying this up and they're not selling. I'm telling you guys, the people who bought in April, which we're already in May right now, those could be the next year millionaires. Seriously. I was reading this article that someone, there's a bunch of predictions out there. Someone was predicting $220,000 to $240,000 for Bitcoin in 2022. I think that is absolutely absurd, and it's not going to hit that, by the way. It's not going to hit 220,000. I know you're like, how do you know? But like the amount of money that would have to shove in, we'd have to have. You guys want to know the biggest thing that's going to ever move Bitcoin? I'll tell this to you because I was literally talking to one of my friends who's part of a $10 billion hedge fund. Here's what he said. I'll give you like this insider secret here. It's not a big secret, but here we go. He said, you need to watch for when the spot ETF of Bitcoin is released. The spot ETF, what's going to happen is there's a lot of these, baby boomers out there. They've got a ton of money out there. One, they don't trust Bitcoin. It's new. It's a millennial thing, they think. But once it starts coming out with a spot ETF, and then it's not going to be the baby boomers that need to know this. It's going to be the fund managers that have confidence in Bitcoin, where when people start seeing that the their own managers are like, hey, you've got money in bonds and stocks. What if we allocate, say 1 to 2, maybe 3% of your portfolio to crypto because it is now in a spot ETF and we're just going to allocate part of your money in there. That little allocation of part of the money, you guys think about TD Ameritrade, you think about the Vanguard trillions of dollars that they have, that is when Bitcoin's going to explode. Like we could see some nice moves, but you're talking about where you wake up in the morning and it's jumped $10,000. That is when it's going to happen. It's the spot ETF that everybody needs to be watching. There's some insider stuff from billion-dollar hedge funds that I've been learning and talking to my friend about. So hope you guys like it. Subscribe if you like what I'm talking about on this channel. All right, guys. The resistance is 3,581. 3,581 puts us, it's pretty high. It's definitely up here. I think this is pretty aggressive. I don't do aggressive stuff on this channel. I'm just like, what's the most realistic spot we can hit? A 50% retracement is where I think it's at. It also correlates to some of these structures over here that are pretty high. So any type of pump, I don't think we're going past $3,200. I think it's 3,200 or even 31, and then we're gonna start seeing a move back down, just to keep everything just real, honest, and straightforward. No pump stuff on this channel, okay? Dollar cost average entry. Literally, we have literally $1 billion hedge funds and $100 million hedge funds watching this channel. And so if I'm out here and they're like, "Oh, Travis, you predicted we're just going to go to structure high," they're just going to unsubscribe. And I'm like, yeah, I get that too, because we're going to keep things honest and realistic over here. Okay, dollar cost average entries. You guys are seeing an incredible entry right now. Really, really nice. I told you guys over Telegram that I put $10,000 into my HODL position. That was right around when we got this signal right here, okay? So incredible times to be buying into the market and holding right now. Let me get you guys into a trade setup right now, because this is how you guys are able to trade our strategy. I want to keep it private for our members, but watch this real quick, and I'll let you guys basically just take this, and I'll show you guys how to get our membership and all that. This part of the video is for those of you guys who have never been trading with us. This is what you want to watch. This is how we have literally never lost a crypto trade. The last trade we took was 9.92% on SHIB. That was for 50% of the exit, and the other 50% was about 4%. Okay, we're doing great over here. What you're going to see on Ethereum and all of our charts here is 4 different buy limits. Okay, choose the amount that you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split it into 4 equal portions. Place 250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow, right there. Once our first buy limit is hit, set the sell limit in green for 100% exit. Yes, it's way up here. It needs to be up here in case the market explodes. We don't technically know when the spot ETF is going to come. But if it does, guys, I'm not even kidding you. You will wake up some mornings and you will see $5,000 jumps in Bitcoin, $10,000 jumps in Bitcoin when the trillions of dollars head into the market. Just watch out for that. And trust me, I'm watching, because I've got friends that are in this and we're watching closely. So I'll keep you guys updated on it. Once you guys have that set up, follow me in Telegram. I will be calling all the exits for you guys for all of these trades. Telegram, all that. Let's talk about this real quick, guys. The membership is only $95 a month, guys. This is so ridiculously cheap for what you're getting. Spy on all the whales. See what the institutions are doing. Stay on their side. They're going to be the ones in the market movers. You'll get that for all the coins. The entries and exits for all of our trades are in the Telegram channel. The master classes that I've literally taught these hedge funds are right up here, guys. Right here. Click those master classes. Watch them. The community chat where we're all hanging out together looking at the markets. You guys can get that right here. And then every month, excuse me, guys. Every month I'm going to be going live on Zoom. I've been saying, guys, I'm so sorry. I've been saying March 14th. I'm actually going down south and seeing my grandparents March 14th. That's why it was in my mind. But we are going live on Zoom. I do not remember the date, if I'm just being totally vulnerable and honest. It's in the Inner Circle Hangout right here. I want to keep it private because we do have the live Zoom link there for our members. But just check that. We are going live in May. Once you guys have all that, you are good to go. And then last but not least, guys, this literally is a May sale we've got going on right now. We will never have our indicators lower than this. I literally made a promise to you guys when we ran our sale last Black Friday. This is our Black Friday sale from last year, just so you guys know. It's a spring sale we're doing right now. We will never have them lower than this price. Seriously, you guys can hold me to that. What you want to do is click this right here. You will get all 9 of our indicators. These are the 3 that you guys really need. It's actually cheaper to get the bundle pack than get the 3 indicators you need for our charts. So it's just a no-brainer right now. On checkout, you do need to enter a coupon code. Enter coupon code SAVE MONEY, and that will give you guys the extra 2% off, because we're usually right around 82%. So you're going to get that 84% total off. And just so you guys know, this sale will end. It's just for May. So just for May, that's it. I'll have something in the description of this video. It'll probably have like a countdown or something in the comment section of YouTube. But just know, guys, snag this. If you've seen any of our win rates, if you see the testimonials over here of people doing like insane profits, like this guy literally, he's like done $5,000 a week and he's doing thousands of dollars a month. Like these guys are using the indicators. And they're using the actual metrics on our website. $23,000 with the 2 indicators right here. So literally, the best deal we ever have is literally running right now, and it will end at the end of the month. So just snag them right now. I just want to let you guys know that. Okay? Ending this video right here. Ethereum, I am looking for this to be bullish, guys. I'm actually, when I got up this morning, I'm excited for this week. This is a bullish pattern. Watch a bullish pattern take over, guys, and watch the short squeeze on one of these moves back up here. And then it's going to move down. It's going to short squeeze people, and it's going to move back up. I'm watching it with you guys. I love you so much. Have an amazing day. Everything you need is in the description. Start trading confident with good risk management, and I'll keep calling out all those trades for you guys. God bless you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.